Discover structs in C#, value types used to encapsulate related data. Learn when and how to use structs for efficiency and simplicity. This lesson covered structs, their declaration, usage, and how they differ from classes in terms of behavior and memory allocation. Defining structs. Structs are value types that encapsulate data and related functionality. Use the struct keyword to declare them, similar to a lightweight class. Struct versus class. Structs differ from classes as they are value types, stored on the stack for better performance. Use structs when data is small and doesn't require inheritance. Passing structs. Structs are passed by value, meaning modifications in methods don't affect the original instance. This behavior helps prevent unintended side effects. Read-only structs. Mark structs as read-only to ensure immutability, improving thread safety and avoiding accidental modifications to the struct state. Struct limitations. Avoid using structs for large data or complex behavior due to their stack-based allocation. Instead, use classes for such scenarios. Structs in C# offer an efficient and lightweight way to encapsulate small, related data, suitable for scenarios where performance and immutability are essential.